Tell me would you dive with me? Tell me would you dive with me? Tell me would you dive.
Hi friends, I am Anand Tiwari from Changing Minds of Hacker, and this time I have to tell you in which way we can program on the SQL. So let's start now. But if you are new viewer, so please subscribe my channel, like and share. So let's start now. The SQL programs. Yes. So you have to firstly connect to the database. System. So we are present time we are connected to the database. So let's start to create a table. So create table, and this area we have to name. We have to type the name. So name is you. Name is you, and this is bracket. And यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे कि हम अपने जो डेटाबेस का जो कॉलम होगा जो उसका नाम लिखेंगे. यहाँ पे we have to put the name. So name is name, column name is name, data type char, and then size is 10, and you have to very careful about the commas or brackets because it is case sensitive. So and the next column is name completed, class number, data type number, and the comma, enter. Then work, and this is all about the column names. Work char, data type char, size 10, not 10, 7. Understand? And at last you can enter and bracket. That's it. So enter. The table is created, and the next step we have to insert the value in these tables. So C. Insert into U. U is the name of database or the name of table, and very careful about the syntax. VALU values, and this is the very important thing is that if you enter a table name and you have entered a column name, so you have to firstly enter the name and the insertion values. If you have second is class, so you have necessary to enter the second time the class, and the work third, so you have to also enter the third time. So values is, and the character is one coded character. My name is Anand, so Anand bracket class name and the sequence wise. This is only a sequence. Class 12 comma hacker. I have to forget to this is character, so you have to close and enter. One row selected, and I have to say you. So if you want to see the table or the columns, so insert select asterisk from you, terminator, enter. So you can see this is the, and you have also, and the second insertion you can use insert into you values happy. Careful about that, careful about the character, otherwise program will wrong. Query is wrong, and the second is 12 character, also hacker. Careful about that, I am repeating one by one. SQL I have to show select asterisk from you. You can see if you have to modify, if you have to create this type of table, so you can also change and modify, update all the things, I will do more insertion, so you can see select asterisk from you. You can see Anand, Happy, Ganesh, MD Cav, Jay, Govind and Ankit. The 6th row are the selected. You can see the select commands. SQL select name from you, where class work is equal to just CKER. You can see you will see the output is all about the names are, because the work of all the name is hacker. The selected name you can work is equal to hacker. Error. Oh, I forget one things. That you can see all the names are output. So this is my program. Thank you to watching. Have a nice day. Thank you.